I'm Victoria Tran. I'm a marketing major at UTD. I am currently taking a course called Survey of Digital Fabrications, and I'm working on a 3D model for it to be printed out. 3D printing is, I guess in my own words, it's this machine that comes in and has a nozzle, and it would, every cross section or every plane, it would create one layer that's a filament of plastic usually, and it will make a model upwards. I am making a miniature figure of a video game character. The first thing you need to do is download the program Rhinoceros. It can be used to create 3D models. Then the hard part, actually making the model. This can take a while depending on the complexity of your model. Personally, I like to use basic solids, then rebuild their points to mold different shapes. After many hours, this is what my model looked like. Once you finish your model, export the model as an STL file, and then fill out a consent form to be dropped into the Fab Lab Dropbox. Wait for your email confirmation, and then it's off to the Fab Lab to pick up your model. The ATEC Fab Lab is at the Visual Studio, also known as the Art Barn. It is located on the first floor. The Fab Lab is where all the magic happens. Here they have laser engraving and cutting for Pepakura, and of course 3D printing. It took about 5 hours for my 3D model to be printed. There's my model coming out of the 3D printer. Notice around it there's a black supporting material. Here, the technician will drop it into a bath where the supporting material will dissolve in a few hours. And there you have it! That's how you make a 3D model at UTD.